Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the parts or the components of the central processing unit. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Parts of the central processing unit. The central processing unit or CPU is the primary component of a computer responsible for executing its instructions and performing calculations. It consists of several key parts, each with a specific function. Number 1, control unit or CU. The control unit manages and coordinates the activities of all other components in the CPU. It fetches instructions from memory, decodes them, and then directs the execution of these instructions by sending signals to other parts of the CPU. Number 2, Arithmetic Logic Unit or ALU. The ALU is responsible for performing arithmetic and logical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and bitwise operations. It works in conjunction with the registers to carry out these operations. Number 3, registers. Registers are small high-speed storage locations with the CPU that hold data temporarily. Some common types of registers include the program counter or PC, which keeps track of the memory address of the next instruction to be executed, and the accumulator, which stores intermediate results of calculations. Number 3, cache. While not strictly part of the CPU, the cache is closely associated with it. The CPU cache is a small high-speed memory that stores frequently accessed data and instructions to speed up processing. It helps reduce the time the CPU spends waiting for data from slower main memory or RAM or random access memory. Number 5, fetch, decode, execute cycle. This is not a physical component but a crucial concept in CPU operation. The CPU follows a cycle where it fetches an instruction from memory, decodes it to determine the operation to be performed, executes the operation, and then updates its internal state to move to the next instruction. This cycle repeats continuously to execute programs. Number 6, clock generator. The clock generator produces a series of clock pulses that synchronize the activities of the various CPU components. It ensures that instructions are processed at a consistent rate. Number 7, Bus Interface Unit or BIU. In some CPU architectures, particularly older ones, there is a separate bus interface unit responsible for handling communication with the system's memory or I/O devices. It manages data transfers between the CPU and other parts of the computer. These components work together to carry out the instructions of a computer program and perform the essential processing tasks that make a computer function. The CPU is often considered the brain of the computer because it performs the bulk of the computational work. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report and presentation about the parts of the central processing unit. Thank you so much for watching and support in my channel. If you are new with my channel, please support by clicking the like, share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.